Welcome to the Quantum Crypto Trading Bot Integration Guide. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple process of connecting your Binance account to the Quantum Crypto Trading Bot. By linking your Binance account, you'll unlock the full potential of automated trading, allowing the bot to execute trades on your behalf based on your chosen strategies. Let's get started and set up your Quantum Crypto Trading Bot for seamless and effective trading with Binance. If you haven't already, go to Binance website and create an account. Verify your account. After creating your account successfully, get started on the API by navigating to API Management. Click on Create API. After clicking on Create API, now select System Generated API Key and click on Next. You'll create an API key in your Binance account and name it something memorable, such as Quantum Crypto Trading Bot API. This will help you easily identify it in the future. Binance will prompt you to complete security verification steps. Verify your API keys using the following methods. Phone number verification code. Enter the verification code sent to your phone. Email verification code. Enter the verification code sent to your email. Authentication code. If you have two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled, enter the authentication code from your Authenticator app. Your API key and secret are now created, but they cannot be used for trading yet. To enhance the security of your funds on Binance, you must whitelist the IP addresses of Quantum Crypto Trading Bot servers in your API key settings. This will allow only Quantum Crypto Trading Bot servers to perform actions on your Binance account, preventing any unauthorized third parties from accessing it, even if your API keys are compromised. Navigate to the base config in Quantum Crypto Trading Bot and select Exchange, then click on Upload Exchange, and copy the displayed IP addresses. Next, go back to Binance and paste the IP addresses into the Restrict Access to Trusted IPs Only field, as shown in the screenshot above. To enable trading, click on Edit, and check the box next to Enable Spot and Margin Trading. No other API restrictions need to be enabled, and Quantum Crypto Trading Bot will never ask for withdrawal or universal transfer rights. Then, save the changes on both Binance and Quantum Crypto Trading Bot. Allow a moment for the bot to link everything together and your balance should become visible. Log in to your Quantum Crypto Trading Bot dashboard. Navigate to the Your Configs section and click on Exchanges. In the top right corner, click on Upload Exchange and select Binance as your exchange. Copy the API key from Binance and paste it into the corresponding field in the Quantum Crypto Trading Bot settings. Do the same for the secret key. Finally, click Upload Exchange Info to link your Binance account to the trading bot. Congratulations! You've successfully linked your Binance account to the Quantum Crypto Trading Bot. This enables automated trading based on your configured strategies, ensuring you can capitalize on market opportunities 24/7. Keep your API keys secure and monitor your Binance account regularly for any unusual activity. For any questions or assistance, our support team is here to help. Thank you for choosing Quantum Crypto Trading Bot. Happy trading!